Electoral proceedings at the Purba Karbook Kalirai station were disrupted today due to reported technical failures involving EVMs. These malfunctions resulted in heightened tensions among voters and party representatives within the Karbook Sub-division. Despite a 3-hour technical delay that postponed the start of polling until 9:30 am, the session concluded at a scheduled 4 p.m. deadline. This lack of an extension left numerous quiet voters unable to cast their ballots, raising significant concerns regarding infrastructure management and voter participation. Pure report, Chini Khorang.